Okay, I just come from over there, Sandy Skid Road, finished Split Enz. I'm now going to hit Yellow Brick Road. This is the return section. If you know Yellow Brick Road, it loops right over here and then returns, basically spitting you out pretty much where you started. The return section is the more fun section. You can get some mean speed. Yeah, a bit of a pedal in the beginning, but totally worth it. Once you've built up that speed, you can just pump it all the way. So here we go. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Okay, catch your breath and let's have some fun. My legs are feeling a bit like chili today. They're just saying, don't pedal, make it stop. That would be a travesty on this track, because it is so much better when you go fast. Shortcut. And this is the end. Awesome. Now, just gotta find a way home.